So now we are going to explain all the things one by one. The first thing, again, you have to mention what methodological approach you have chosen for your research. Can you recall that based on the information we want to have from the research can be categorized into two. Can you recall this? Categorized into three. Can you recall it, please? What are the categories? One is quantitative research. Can you recall it? Quantitative research. It was covered at the very beginning. Please respond with me. Qualitative research. And another is mixed mode research. Mixed mode research. Can you recall it? Please respond with me.
Yes.
Yes. And also, can you tell me what are the reference or an example? It will be good for us for revising the thing. Anyone?
When a number is related, then it's called quantitative.
Yes.
And when there is something not number, but the reason or cause is related, then it's qualitative. And when a number and reason both are interrelated or both are counted, then that is called mixed mode.
Can you give an example?
If I say an example, for qualitative research, say early marriage is the leading reason for the school dropout.
So the qualitative question is there, what are the reason of school dropout in
what are the reason?
This
if I add a number, if I add a number to this, then it would be a mixed mode. And in case of scientific research, if there is only one number, say 5%, 10%, or any number, a specific number we are looking for, then it's quantitative.
That means the methodological choice is directly related to your research question. Am I right? Research question and also the research objective. Just for example, the previous example, let's continue this example so it will be good for us. So here our target was to detect the skill lesion, the best approach or the highest accuracy. Am I right? So here our target is to improve the accuracy. So here our target is to not we are going to explain that which model will be, why this model is good, not this. This is not our target. Our target was that we are going to find the improve the accuracy. So that's why this is, we can call this a quantitative research. Okay, understood? So this way you have to identify or you have to clarify that what methodological approach you have used in your research. So let discuss one by one. What problem or question did you investigate and what kind of data did you need to answer? This is the most important thing. So based on this, there are three types of research we already discussed. The one is quantitative, and it can be done using surveys, using experiment, using case studies. Here are one example only. Are the best quantitative methods are best for measuring, ranking, categorizing, identifying patterns, or making generalization. Okay, so this is one thing. And qualitative research, that means interviews, focus group, observation, are the best for describing, interpreting, or contextualizing and gaining in-depth insight into a specific concept or phenomena. I already said that it generally explains the reason of something, or it is one kind of, we can say that it is one kind of exploratory of explanatory research. Okay, so mixed mode again, it is a combination of numerical measurement and depth explanation. The thing we have already covered. So you must have to mention that which methodological choice you are going to apply in your research. This is one thing you must have to mention, or it is expected to be added in your methodology section of your paper or your of your research. And again, you have to say why you were selecting qualitative, why you were selecting mixed mode, and why you were selecting quantitative. So was your aim to address a practical or theoretical problem? So what is the problem? What was the problem? Why is the most suitable approach to answer your research question? Why you are selecting the quantitative method? Why you are selecting the mixed mode? Why you are selecting the qualitative? You have to justify it. Is this a standard methodology in your field, or does it require justification? Okay, in case of methodology, you are using a unknown method or not non-standard method, so it is not expected. You should use already a standard existing standard methods. Where there any ethical or philosophical consideration in your research? Is there any philosophical ethical consideration? Because you cannot do all kind of surveys or any kind of experiment where there is an involvement of human or wildlife. Okay, so you cannot apply anything on human. So you must have to consider the ethical or philosophical consideration. Okay, and again, what are the criteria for validity and rigorousness in this type of research? So why your your selection is valid and why it is good, that means it is robust, best selection. So you have to explain all the things when you are explaining that I am using this methodology and this tool, this technique, this model, this algorithm. You have to explain all the things when you are going to present your research. Okay, this is the most important thing.